Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve YouTube subscription option missing. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search YouTube. YouTube update app is available Play Store or App Store. Tap on hold YouTube app. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force step. Tap on OK. Tap on storage. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go to YouTube. Now you can see the subscription option on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.